Dear students, welcome to the fourth lecture in the second unit of Applied Management Research. In this lecture, we are going to see the 5 elements of a research design. The 5 elements that are key in a research design are problem identification, the methodology, data collection, data analysis, and report writing. We are also going to see what is research proposal and what should be the contents of a good research proposal. A research proposal is a proposal given by a researcher to the funding authorities to approve his research and fund his research. The research proposal is a significant document for a researcher and for the funding agency. The research proposal should contain the introduction of the research, the problem identified, the past literature which is already existing in that particular area or subject or domain, the objectives of the study as identified or framed by the researcher, the conceptual model which is going to enable the researcher to go forward with his research, the assumptions or the hypothesis for the research, the methodology that the researcher is going to adopt in his research, the sampling plan that he is going to use in his study, what tools he is going to use in order to gather or collect the data, the plan for his analysis, etc. It will also look into the scope of the study, operational definition of various concepts that is used, the significance of the study, the geographical area the study covers, the period in which the study is conducted, the reporting in the form of chapters, the time involved, and the cost involved for the particular study. So these are the components of a research proposal, which we will be doing in this particular lecture. As we are nearing the closure of the second unit, it is also very important for you to identify a particular topic, which will be a study of yours in this particular AMR subject or course. So you will have to write a research proposal on any topic of your choice and submit as a result of this particular study. Thank you very much, dear students.